Over to the media now. अपने सवाल जवाब मतलब that was like एकदम कमाल कर गए यार.
Suraj and Jacqueline, slightly towards your left, slightly towards the left. यहाँ पे. Yeah. First of all, congratulations for the video. It's fabulous.
Thank you.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि हमने आज पढ़ा है कि आप दोनों के बीच में झगड़े होते थे for the Ferrari और भूषण जी ने कहा कि जो उन्हें impress कर तीनों ओके तो जो उन्हें ज्यादा impress करेगा वो Ferrari लेके जाएगा. तो आखिर में भूषण जी आप भी बताइए कि Ferrari आपकी कौन लेके जा रहा है?
Hi. How are you? So nice to be sitting next to you.
Remo ले गया
You know,
actually.
like-
Remo took it.
Actually,
Hey!
yeah, see.
When did that happen?
Thank
you know,
Bhushan ji. Thank you
that's
very
not
much. आपने
fair.
इतने लोगों के सामने मुझे
That's
Ferrari
not
gift की है. Thank you
fair.
so much.
That's not fair. It's okay. Just sign us for another movie. It'll be like this fun circle. So it went to Remo.
जी next.
I will borrow it.
सवाल.
Okay, सूरज एंड जैकलीन जीएफ और बीएफ में क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए?
For me, I think a BF needs to he needs to be loyal. That's, I think, a very important quality.
एंड सूरज व्हाट अबाउट यू?
वीडियो देख लो फिर से.
Someone hot? Loyalty.
A girl should be simple and from she should just have a good heart and she should be smart. Doesn't really always have to be pretty. Just a good person. That's it.
ओके थैंक यू.
नहीं है ऊपर.
हाय गाइस, भावना दिस साइड सामने सेकंड रो में. हाय, हाउ आर यू? गुड. जैकलीन, जिस तरह इस वीडियो में रियल लाइफ में सूरज ने आपको इम्प्रेस किया है डांस करके, ऐसे रियल लाइफ में आपको किसी ने अपने डांस और स्वैग से इम्प्रेस किया है?
No, I don't think so. I'd be able to do that. First of all, that dancing took a lot of rehearsals, and specifically for that song. But I mean, we based the story around this guy trying to impress a girl, and he didn't know what else to impress her with but his dance. But at the end of the day, and you saw towards the end of the song, it wasn't that was winning her over. It was, she made a decision based other than the fact that he was dancing for her. So for me, I think, there are other important qualities as well which you need to show a person that you have a crush on or that you're pursuing. I don't know if I'll be able to win someone over by dancing though. Like, I'm not as good as Suraj.
सूरज, टुवर्ड्स योर राइट.
Yes. Yes.
आप हमेशा अपने डांसिंग स्किल को लेकर हमेशा सोचते हैं कि आप अच्छे डांसर नहीं हैं, बट इस वीडियो के बाद अपना ओपिनियन चेंज करेंगे डांसिंग को लेकर?
क्योंकि मैंने इसके पहले कभी डांस किया नहीं था. I've learned action. That's about it. But I've never tried dancing in school or I never did stage shows, nothing. So I don't think that I'm a good dancer. I'm not bad, but Remo sir here is making me better. I hope to work with him more so that I can say one day that okay, chalo, I'm a good dancer. That day will come. That day will come.
We'll take two more questions, ladies and
Jacqueline,
gentlemen. Yeah, please.
Yeah. Okay, so जब आपको पता चला that you have to sing in this album, so what was your reaction and what actually, like, how you prepared yourself for that?
Well, first of all, Bhushan didn't really give me a choice. He just said, "Hey, you're singing in this song." So I was like, "Okay." But I was actually quite excited that I was getting this opportunity from Remo. I was getting this opportunity from Bhushan. I had someone like Gurinder to work with. Who. Like he came on our house full, 3 sets, and we sat in the vanity, and I was just like, okay, listen, I've never sang before. My dad's right here, though. Actually, he's a DJ, and so I've grown up with a lot of music in the house and with a musical ear, but I've never sang. I've never attempted to. So this was a really, really amazing opportunity for me to be able to kind of explore it, and I think that's the most amazing thing about us here in the Hindi film industry is that as actors we get to explore so many different things. We get to explore dance, we get to explore singing, we get to explore so many things. So I took it up and I'm so glad I did. I hope you guys are glad I did. But we worked hard on it. Gurinda, I know, worked very hard on it. We sat in the studio and we really belted it out, and he sang with me, and Bhushan also, he sang with me, and You know, he loves to sing. And it was a fun, more than anything, it was fun. And I think that's what's important. This whole entire music video was an opportunity to kind of just all of us get together, create a great team and a great energy and have fun. And I think that's what we did.
सूरज, आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री ऑन स्क्रीन तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है इस वीडियो में. इन फ्यूचर कैन वी सी यू बोथ वर्किंग टुगेदर?
I hope. Yes,
I hope
of
so
course.
too. We had a great time working together.
Jacqueline is fun to work with. She never made me feel like she's my senior. But of course I want to work with her. Hopefully soon.
जैकलीन, सूरज के साथ एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था आपका काम करने का?
Me?
Yep.
Oh, I mean, it was amazing. Suraj was, first of all, you know, he rehearsed a lot with me. So we used to go to Remo's studio and we used to do our rehearsals, which is great because then you have someone who's prepared and ready when the shoot time comes. So he was that. He was prepared. He was ready. Towards the end of it, we were all like happy and taking pictures and stuff. And, you know, so he brought that with him as well. And he was kind of able to bring that to the team, and it was teamwork, and that's what he, you know, he has a great quality. So yeah, it was fantastic. You know, I couldn't, you know, for the fact that you've just done one movie, it was really commendable. I mean, working with Remo is not easy. So as in, it's difficult stuff. So, but he really kind of brought his game on and brought his swag, and it was amazing to work with.
And since we are talking about GF BF, बॉलीवुड का आइडियल GF और आइडियल BF आपके हिसाब से कौन है?
A couple, but none of them were really out. So tricky one first answer.
आपके हिसाब से क्या लगता है एक आइडियल गर्लफ्रेंड और आइडियल बॉयफ्रेंड कौन है?
You're going first. Wait, that we would date or that are dating?
आपके हिसाब से लगता है he is the perfect girlfriend material, he is the perfect boyfriend material?
Oh, interesting. Gurinder, what do you think? You're the perfect, but you're
Just take my name. Let it be a breaking news.
but you're not Bollywood yet.
Doesn't matter. I don't know. Bhushan ji has signed me. What more do you want?
All right, thank you so much. That's all we have for you. I'm sorry.
We avoided that one.
है ना, बट जाते जाते एक आखिरी चीज, भूषण सर, एवरग्रीन हिट्स इतने सारे दिए हैं, टी सीरीज का नाम इसके लिए जाना जाता है. कोई एक सिंगल जो तब से लेके अब तक आपके जहन में रह गया और बहुत ऐसा समथिंग रियली क्लोज टू योर हार्ट?
It's my first album song. अब मुझे रात दिन तुम्हारा ही ख्याल है from Devana.
All right, that's your song, right? जी.
Okay, my question is to Suraj and Jacqueline. You guys were supposed to here on your left. So you guys were supposed to come together for a dance track in Hero, which eventually did not happen. So when you guys were told that you guys are paired in the song, what were your first reactions?
Well, I was quite excited because even when I was approached for the song in Hero, I was excited to be part of that song and to work with Suraj. And then when that didn't happen, I was like a little bit disappointed. But these things happen anyway. So it was cool. Like I just...
It was meant to be.
It was meant to be, Suraj. We were meant to do a song together.
जैकलिन, आपको ऑन स्क्रीन तो आपको अपने BF मिल गए, लेकिन there are reports that in real life also you have got your boyfriend. So we just wanted to get a confirmation from your end.
Listen, my dad's here.
इनके
Okay?
डैडी बैठे हैं.
अंकल देंगे जवाब इसका. Right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. GFBF के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Please, yeah.
Hi everyone. On your right. Hi Suraj.
We'll come to
Hi,
you. We'll
everyone.
come to you.
Hi.
Yeah.
Question is
This
for?
question is for Remo sir.
Yeah.
Remo sir, Suraj told me in his interview that his biggest struggle is to dance. So how hard it was to make him dance, sir? I just wanted to know this.
It was not that hard actually for me.
Can he
maybe
become a
I
good
think
dancer?
maybe I think he was in the rehearsal hall and maybe he was struggling for this thing, but I never saw that. Whenever I used to go there to see the final product, I mean, he used to give me all 100% on this thing. So he was good.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.